My crops.
They won't grow.
We'll find a way. Don't despair.
This place is charming. Just like our first date.
It is. Remember that awkward moment?
Hard to forget.
Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use some tools that we built here. They're like completely free, you can access without a paid account. So you just remember that you must have your Gemini API Key so you can connect and use this, because some of them with AI and some of them not. So we have like AI Director. This is a prompt, senior prompt, advanced prompting, where you can just type some story. Let's say a two-person talking, and then select your agreed amount you want, how many cuts do you want, and just hit generate. Of course, you can do also manually. You can come here and select all what you want here. There's like some presets, and as you can see, the AI will generate now the all 9 shots automatically. And here you have like with dialogues, expressions, and camera short types, so you can also click and change this. So right now it generates like this, so I will go and do like copy and paste. You see I've done nothing here, so just copy and paste, and let's, yeah, I have to do one. Okay, so one, I don't know. Okay, generate. Great. So here the video is ready. As you can see, we have the prompt that we copied.
This place is charming. Just like our first date.
It is. Remember that awkward moment?
Hard to forget.
So now test on Grok. Let's see how it works with Grok. So I just copy again our prompt. And let's see, okay, there is a group.
This place is charming. Just like our first date.
It is. Remember that awkward moment?
Let's go and create another one. So let's say, oh, hey. Okay, let's do this. Okay, again, let's copy this prompt, go Sora, past here, okay, generate. Perfect, so Grok also doing great. This place is charming. Let's do it with the cartoon and let's see how it works with this.
We'll find a way. Despair. What troubles you, little friend? My crops.
Just
Find a way. Delete all this. Pass. What troubles you, little friend? Okay. So this is if you don't like the short types and everything, it's just generating all, updating all again. So let's see.
What troubles you, little friend? My crops.
They won't grow.
Right, it's changed the style. So Okay, so I will be ready. Okay, there is ink. Let's see.
My crops.
They won't grow.
We'll find a way. Don't despair. My crops.
The next tool is Grid Image Splitter. So here you can upload the grid image, for example, let's say this one, and it automatically cut the grid. And then you can move here like where you want the cut goes. So let's say, okay, this is fine. And advanced settings means, again, what kind of format do you want? So I want PNG. I will click split image, and as you can see, automatically I get all these shots, which are, in the future, I will maybe click and generate videos based on these shots. But for now, you just can download as a zip file with 9 images and use it. So it's very handy tool for you to generate these kind of grids, and then you can upscale these images and then animate or whatever you. So for now, it's just doing this. Also, we have, this is for free, right? So it's kind of like, you don't need to have a paid account here to do this. But to go more advanced, we have also another tool here, as you can see. For example, it says splitter. So this one is better. I slow the project. So, okay. And then if I upload the same image, let's say I add this image, you see this one is more accurate. And also I can click one of the grids that I want and then just select aspect ratio and give some instructions here. It will generate separately the image. So it's like extracting the image in a better resolution. So that is how it will work. But this, okay, so next tool we have is LUT Creator. So this one is also very good. Like, for example, I will go and search film LUT and the film stills. Sorry. And for example, and let's see if we can get some, I don't know, this one, for example. So I will just go and download this still. Oh, there's a lot of them. So yeah, let's say this one. I download this still, and then I go back to my app. I upload here, and let's say I have another image generated image. Let's say which one. I can select some image here. And let's see. Let's see which one. Okay, this one. So you see, it's just changing the coloring and everything. So you can just save this image and download it. Also, what you can do is generate LUT, like export as a cube. For example, this cube, we can, let's say we remove this. Let's do another thing. So here you have also, I can work like this, remove, let's say, make more color updates. See, I can like saturation, well, like you have in CapCut or any other tools you have. So it's, again, you can work here. It has a lot of advanced tools here, so you can just manage the parameters and get the best image for your project and then download it. So this allows you to also like export a LUT, like I did. Let's say I'll refresh this page. And then what I will do, let's see if this works like this. I will get my LUT. So this one I just download. And then I will upload my image again, the one I just upload. Okay, this one. And let's see if it takes any, and as you can see, now you can upload any image and it will just change the color grading to the similar one. So let's say I have here a few of this kind of, let me see. Okay, this one. Again, it's applying the LUT. So also you can just, if this is too much, like it's burning there. So let's put this. Okay, so I will just put it all like 0. Okay, and then the other thing which we can do is just drop a little bit the strengths. So, okay, so you see it's kind of, I can remove even more. Okay, so that's it. So this is for today, and I will keep working here, so you can follow me on my Patreon. And on YouTube channel, I'm uploading videos how to use this website and all these tools. I mean, by time I will keep adding more videos, so it will be very interesting and very useful for all of you to use